If your diesel engine is running rough, chugging black smoke, and throwing a P20D8 code, your exhaust after-treatment system is basically screaming for help because it cannot get the fluid it needs. This code points to a performance issue in the fuel supply control circuit. Now, do not let the word fuel confuse you here. In this context, we are talking about the reductant fluid, commonly known as DEF or AdBlue, not the diesel in your main tank. The system uses a high-pressure electronic pump to push this fluid from the storage tank up to the injector in the exhaust pipe. This process is what keeps your emissions clean and your filter from clogging. When the computer sees voltage signals from this pump circuit that do not make sense, it sets this code. The symptoms are pretty noticeable, often including reduced engine power and that nasty black smoke we mentioned. To diagnose this, you need to be methodical. Start by grabbing a technical service bulletin if one exists for your specific truck or car, as this can save you hours. If not, start with a visual check of the wiring harness around the DEF tank and pump. Look for corrosion, especially since this area gets splashed by road salt and water. If the wires look good, clear the codes and drive it to see if it is a hard fault or just a glitch. If it comes back immediately, it is time to grab your digital volt-o-meter. You need to test the grounds and the power supply to the control system. Often, this system runs through a relay, and relays are common failure points. Test for battery voltage at the relay and at the pump connector. If you have power getting to the pump, but it is not building pressure, or if the resistance across the pump motor is out of spec, the pump itself is likely the culprit. However, if there is no power reaching the pump, you are looking at a wiring break or a bad controller. Do not forget to check the pressure sensor as well, because if it is lying to the computer, the pump might actually be fine. It takes a bit of patience, but tracing that voltage path is the only way to be 100% sure.